Definition of cancer. Cancer is defined as a new growth of mass of tissue which can be harmless, that is benign, or harmful, that is malignant. Causes of cancer: smoking, obesity, few viruses, radiation, hormones, immune condition, inherited genetic mutation. Main methods of cancer diagnosis, that is radiological diagnosis, cytological diagnosis, histological diagnosis, frozen section, hematological diagnosis, immunohistochemistry, molecular diagnosis, and tumor makers. Next is warning signs of cancer. There are 7 warning signs of cancer which can be denoted by word caution. That is change in bowel or bladder habit, a sore that does not heal, usual bleeding or discharge, thickening or lumps in breast or elsewhere, indigestion or difficulty in swallowing, obvious change in wart or mole, nagging, cough or hoarseness. Treatment of cancer. Most common are surgery, chemotherapy, and radiation. First one, surgery. Surgery helps to remove some but not all of a cancer tumor. Debulking is used when removing an entire tumor might damage an organ or the body. Removing part of a tumor can help other treatment to work better. It also used for the tumors causing pain and pressure. Next is chemotherapy. Chemotherapy, it is the use of drug to destroy cancer cells. Usually works by keeping the cancer cells from growing, dividing, and making more cells. Because cancer cells usually grow and divide faster than normal cells, it has more effect on cancer cells. Next is radiation therapy. Radiation therapy kills cancer cells or slows their growth by damaging their DNA. Cancer cells whose DNA is damaged beyond repair stop dividing or die. When damaged cells die, they are broken down and removed by body. Next is primary prevention of cancer. That is consumption of fresh vegetable, increase fiber intake, increase intake of vitamin A and vitamin C, do exercise, reduce diet containing fat, stop smoking, reduce alcohol intake, and avoid overt exposure to UV rays or sun.